Making money online can be a profitable and a flexible way for you to earn extra income for yourself. And if you do it very well, you can even grow to the point where you can replace your 9 to 5 job. If you're watching this right now, I want you to know that it is very, very possible for you to start earning from the internet, even if you have never made money on the internet before. Now, if you're struggling with your finances, or maybe you're finding it difficult to pay your bills, or maybe you are even working but your salary is not enough to feed you till the end of the month, then you need to pay attention to this video. Make sure you watch it to the end and don't skip anything, because I'm about to show you how you can start making money for yourself from Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria right now watching this, you can make money for yourself right from the comfort of your home. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you all that you need to know when it comes to making money online from the comfort of your home. Now, in this video, we're going to cover how you can make money online. I'm going to show you also 7 ways you can make money online, 7 ways you can do it to make money online. And then finally, I'm going to show you one of the business models that is working for me, and I'm going to show you how you can also be part of it so that you can also start making money for yourself. Now, before I go into this video, I need you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Also, you can share this video so that your friends can see. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to my channel. My name is our G-Man Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So you need to stick around and watch this video to the end. Okay, so having said that, let's quickly go straight into the video. Now, take a look at what you see on your screen. This screenshot you're seeing on your screen is a proof of payment I received for a service that I did online. Can you see it? Now, let me just let me zoom it so you can see it clearly. Can you see? This was done on the 11th of June 2024. Can you see the time there? That was done at that time. Now you can see the service that I did. The service was to create a Google My Business for a business. Okay, and you can see the amount that was paid. That is to tell you that it is real. You can make money from the comfort of your home. I got paid this amount of money and I did not even leave my room. Can you see this now? Now look at another one. See the second one. Let me show you. This is a payment for selling a digital product by one of the students. Are you getting this now? Can you see how much you're seeing there? So why I'm showing you this now is for you to understand that it is very possible to sit in your home at the comfort of your home and create content and make money. You can sit in your home and sell something and make money. Okay, I'm just showing you this so that you can understand that it is very possible. So now let's go straight. Let me show you how exactly do you make money from the internet. The first thing you need to know, for you to make money on the internet, you need to be selling a product. That's the first thing you need to understand. You need to be selling a product. You need to be selling a product that can solve people's problem. You need to be selling something that can help people achieve their goals. You need to be selling a service. Now, if you want to be selling product, you can sell either a digital product or you sell a physical product. Those are 2 kinds of products you can sell. Number 1, a physical product or a digital product. Now, if you want to be selling and you don't want to have anything to do with delivering physical goods, you can go for digital products, which is what I do. If you want to, if you're not good with the internet, you don't like the internet, you can go for selling physical products, but definitely you're going to still be using the technology of the internet. You're going to use the internet to sell. All right, now the good side of selling digital products is that you don't need capital to start. You don't need capital to start. In some cases you might need capital, but just a little of it. In some cases you don't even need capital to start. I believe you're getting this now. So number one, you have to sell products. Either you're selling a digital product or you're selling a physical product. Now, the second thing you need to do to make money online is for you to sell your service online, your service or your services. So maybe you're a graphic designer, you're a writer, you are a video editor, or maybe you're a consultant, or you know how to teach. You can actually sell your service or your services online and make money from it. Even if you're a grant writer, you know how to write grants, or you know how to write content that can help people build their businesses, or maybe you're a web designer, you can actually sell your service or your services online and get paid for it from the comfort of your home. This is something that can make you a lot of money if you know how to do it. Okay, now what are the ways for you to make money? There are 7 ways. There are different ways. Actually, there are more than 10 ways, more than 100 ways for you to make money on the internet, but for the sake of this video, I just picked 7 of them. So number one is freelancing. Just like the name is sounding to you, freelancing is just you offering your services to people on the internet and getting paid for it. Like I said before, you can offer your skill in writing, your graphic design skill, your programming skill, your digital marketing skill, or maybe your virtual assistant skill, your time. You can offer all of these things and get paid on the internet. Now let me shock you. Do you know that people get paid for talking to bored people? Let me say that again. Do you know that you can get paid by talking to people that are bored on the internet? There are so many people who are bored today. They need someone to talk to. Some of them have lost their girlfriend. Some of them have lost their boyfriend. Some of them have broken up. They just need someone to talk to. They are online scrolling. They don't know what to do. You can get paid by engaging with these people. Just be there to talk with them and you get paid for the time you spend. This is very possible. Now you can do all of these freelancing jobs on platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, like Freelancer, like Freebies. Okay, if you want to learn how to start making money from freelancing jobs, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. All right, and make sure you check the link in the description, because I'm going to drop a link to how you can learn freelancing if you want to learn freelancing. Okay, that is number one. Number two is online tutoring and teaching. You can teach online and make money for yourself. If you're a teacher, you don't need to depend on your salary job, or depending on your payments after you teach in a normal classroom. You can make money on the internet by teaching what you know. Maybe you are a music teacher, you are an art teacher, you are a violinist, you are an English teacher. You can go to the internet, set up yourself and start making money for yourself. The skill you need is very simple, just your teaching ability and your expertise. That's all you need to make money as a teacher online. You can use platforms like VIP Kid, you can use platforms like Teachable, you can use platforms like Udemy. In fact, you can use Study Pool. You can use a platform called Study Pool to make money, to teach and make money for yourself. All right, if you want to learn more about that, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. So that's number two. Number three is for you to start developing and selling digital products. This is a huge business that can help you make money for yourself if you know how to do it. This is one of the businesses I do on the internet. I sell my digital product. I sell my knowledge. Okay, you can sell digital products as an ebook. Let's say you have some knowledge. You can put your knowledge together. If you know about weight loss, if you know about food, if you know about how to keep relationships, if you know how to make money, if you know how to do anything and you can teach it, you can package your knowledge as an ebook and sell it online and make money for yourself. Now, it's not just restricted to ebooks. You can sell online courses, you can sell softwares, you can sell applications, you can sell templates, you can sell recipe books, You can even sell coloring books for children. Can you see? This is a very, very broad, very, very lucrative and sustainable business you can do for yourself. All right. That will fail me. I would have showed you screenshots of payments that I've received from selling my knowledge on the internet using just my smartphone. I did it, and it is very possible. If you want to learn how you can create ebooks in 10 minutes, I created an ebook. Okay, I created a video that will show you how you can create an ebook out of your knowledge in just 10 minutes. Look at the screenshot that you see on your screen. Look at what you see on screen. Check for this video. Okay, check for this video on YouTube. You're going to see it. That's my video. Make sure you watch it to the end. It will show you how you can create an ebook in 10 minutes. That's for you if you want to learn how to create an ebook. Okay, now the beautiful thing is, if you don't like to write but you have the knowledge but you don't like to write, there are platforms where you can get content that have been created already for you. All you need to do is to go there and download it for free and start selling it for yourself and making money for yourself. Isn't it something you want to do? This can change your life. This can make a lot of money for you. If you want to learn more about how to do all of these things, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. And don't forget, I will still drop a link for you in the description, so that if you want to get access to me to learn more about this, you will always have the opportunity. Then number 4 is content creation. You can make a lot of money from creating content in the form of blogs, written content, in the form of videos, in the form of audios, podcasts. You can make a lot of money from creating content. For instance, this video you're watching now, somebody might watch this video and pay me for it. And once I get to the stage of monetization, YouTube begins to pay me for my effort so far. Are you seeing this now? So if you want to be a content creator, you have to be giving out value consistently, just like you're watching right now. You have to go to YouTube, create a channel. That's if you want to be doing videos on YouTube. If you want to do long form videos, you can go to YouTube and create a channel and start talking about something that can be valuable to someone. If you want to be creating short form content, you can use TikTok. All of these platforms are free for you to use. If you want to be creating blogs, you can use Medium. Maybe you know how to write and you want people to be reading your content, you can use Medium. If you are somebody that loves picture and you produce picture, or maybe you're a photographer, you can use Pinterest. Okay, you can use Pinterest and make money for yourself using all these things I have mentioned. That is number 4. Number 5 is online surveys. Okay, there are millions of people who are making money from online survey. I cannot tell you all about this, but this is a very lucrative business that can make you money without doing too much. Just with 1 hour or 2 hours of your day, you can be making some consistent money from doing survey. And one interesting thing that I need to let you know is that irrespective of the country where you are, you can be making money in different currencies by just doing survey, by just answering questions for people. All right, now you can make money in pounds, you can make money in dollars, you can make money in different currencies, and it's very beautiful if you can earn in foreign currency, especially if you're watching this from Nigeria, you're watching this from Africa. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6. Okay, number 6 is cryptocurrency. You can do trading. Okay, cryptocurrency, I'm sure you must have heard about it so many times. Cryptocurrency trading is a very, 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 very lucrative way to make money from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is to understand how blockchain technology works, how investment works, how to trade. You need to understand all of these things, and you need to do a proper research before you go into this business, before you go into trading cryptocurrencies. Are you getting what I'm saying now? I believe you're getting value from this video. If you're getting value, make sure that you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment. If you have questions for me, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I put out new videos. Now that's number 6. Let's go to my last and most important that I am doing. Remember, I told you that I'm going to show you the one that I'm doing that is working for me. So now number 7 is affiliate marketing. I so much love affiliate marketing because you can get paid on weekly basis from this business. Now take a look at the screenshot that you see on your screen. Are you seeing this now? This is one of the money that I received from affiliate marketing. Take a look at this other one. This is another one. Can you see the money there? Now look at another one. Can you see another one? So I can go on and on and on and show you different screenshots of payment that I've received from this business. And the interesting thing is that we get paid weekly. Okay, we get paid on a weekly basis. All you need to do is to pick a platform that works, subscribe to it, learn how it works, and start promoting somebody else's product. And once there's a sale, you get a commission. That's how simple this business model is. Very, very lucrative, and you can keep making money till Jesus comes. All right, all the skill you need is just marketing, SEO, and content creation. That's all you need to start making money from affiliate marketing. Okay, if you want to be part of my affiliate marketing community where you can learn how to be making money as an affiliate, make sure that you go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link in the description, and I'll drop a link in the pinned post. Okay, I'm going to pin a post to the comment section, so make sure you check all of these details to find out how you can gain access to learn more how you can make money from any of these systems that I've mentioned, or probably from affiliate marketing. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like, kindly subscribe, and make sure that you turn on your notification bell. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.